Day 4. It is the heartbreak that shook Brazil. This is 2025 How To Everything Sports Related, baby. We're busy with our World Cup 26 edition. Day 4 of our 247-day countdown to the 2026 FIFA World Cup. And today we revisit one of the most heartbreaking days in football history. The year was 1950. The world has just survived a devastating war. For millions, football wasn't just a game, it was healing. Brazil, proud and full of passion, hosted the World Cup in the Grand Maracana Stadium, the biggest the world has ever seen. 200,000 fans filled the stands for the final match. What? Brazil needed just a draw to be crowned the world champions for the first time. The whole country was ready to celebrate. But Uruguay had other plans. They fought with heart, discipline, and silence, while the Brazilian players already felt the weight of the expectation. But then came the moment. Jagia breaks down the right, fires the ball past the keeper, and scores. Uruguay 2, Brazil 1. The stadium froze. Reporters said you could hear the silence. Some fans even fainted. Some even cried. I would have cried. Some left the sport forever. That moment became known as the Maracanazo, the day joy turned into heartbreak. And it wasn't just a loss, it was a national trauma. But out of that pain came a rebirth. Brazil rebuilt, reimagined, and reinvented football itself. They replaced fear with flair, sadness with samba, and pressure with passion. The 1950 heartbreak forged a fire that would power Pelé, Garrincha, and generations of greatness. It was proof that from deep pain, true champions rise. Tomorrow, a teenager steps onto the world stage in 1958 and becomes the king of football. My name is Stefan. This is 2025 How To Everything Sports, AI, and Mental Growth Related. This is our World Cup 2026 build up. Drop your comments of your favorite World Cup and why you are excited for the 2026 FIFA World Cup. Thank you.